What if I told you that a province famous for being flat hides one of the most dramatic surprises along the Trans-Canada Trail? Saskatchewan begins quietly, with long stretches of farmland where the horizon feels endless. The trail here is wide and open, tracing gravel roads, grassy paths, and even old rail lines. It may seem repetitive at first, but every few kilometers something small changes. You'll notice a red barn in the distance, or a lonely grain elevator rising like a lighthouse of the prairies. On some days, the trail follows irrigation canals where ducks paddle along calm waters. Other days, it winds through tiny towns where the welcome sign feels bigger than the main street. And yet, this is where the rhythm of the prairies really takes hold. The trail carries you past wheat fields so golden they shimmer in the sunlight. You'll cross old bridges where trains once thundered, reminders of the railway that stitched this land together. In places, you'll walk atop former rail beds, now reclaimed by wild grasses and silence. Saskatchewan's wide-open skies make every sunset a performance, bold, fiery, unforgettable. The trail dips into river valleys, where cottonwoods line the banks and cool breezes soften the heat. Here, history lingers, towns founded on farming, powered by elevators, and tied together by the railway. The further west you go, the more you sense the land gently rising, hinting at what comes next. The wind becomes a companion, sometimes pushing you forward, sometimes holding you back. Step by step, the vastness becomes oddly comforting. And just when you think you've seen all the prairies can offer, Saskatchewan finally answers the question, what's the big surprise hidden in this flat province? The answer is simple, it's that the prairies are never flat once you start walking them.